Hello everyone! Get ready to enter in the new year with some brand new makeup trends. This year more than ever we can thank the pandemic for the majority of these trends, which range from light makeup looks to statement eyes and even bold eyebrows. So if you're feeling like you're currently in a makeup rut, we hope these trends will inspire you to shake things up. Minimal makeup. Thanks to the pandemic, women are now opting for minimal makeup and leaning more towards skincare. From barely bare faces to glowing skin, women are leaning more towards natural looks and leaving their makeup cases behind. Statement eyes. On the flip side of the coin, some women would rather draw attention to their eyes. Since most of us are wearing masks these days, playing up your eyes has become the focus and can be achieved in the form of heavily embellished jewels, bold color eyeshadows, liners, and of course, dramatic lashes. Bold brows. You can't have statement eyes without having bold brows to go along with it. The runways were filled with creative bold brows this season, and in many cases, the hairier, the better. Looks like we can stand to skip our brow appointment a few times this season. Statement blush. On the runways of New York Fashion Week, one trend definitely stood out: bold blush. Blush can be worn this season in the form of bright purples, brilliant oranges, and even yellow hues. We just hope we're not stepping into the 80s with all of these bold blush looks. Neutral lips. From barely there mattes to glossy look-at-me lips, nude hues and neutral tones are leading the way this season, creating the perfect trend for women who would rather skip the lipstick altogether. Alright everyone, that's it for this year's biggest trends. We hope that you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a like and of course subscribe for more fashion and beauty trends.